Lesson 10. Okay, today I will show you in Yemen, because we are just continue in Yemen. In the last part of the concert, we play Jhala. In Teental, Jhala. Jhala always played in speed Teental, like da din dinda, da din dinda, na din dinda, na din dinda, da din dinda, da din dinda, na din dinda, na din dinda, like this speed. So normally in this speed, the bandish we play in the last time, these are the bandish of medium tempo, like Madhya Lay. Now we are gonna play this Jhala, and the tempo is fast. For this first tempo, what I have to do? I have to take another bandish, very short bandish, like in 4 or 5, maybe 6 stroke. Because if you have bandish in many notes, then it's very difficult to play with the Jhala. So we need a short bandish to play in Jhala. Okay, now I will show you the bandish like pa re ga ni re ga ma pa re ga ni re ga ma pa re ga. Just this bandish to play with the Jhala. So tabla is like da din dinda, da din dinda, na din dinda, na din dinda. When this tabla running very fast, so what you have to do, you can count like da din dinda, da din dinda, na din dinda, na din dinda. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just this counting. Now I will just play the bandish with this tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pa re ga ni re ga ma 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 pa. 1, 2, 3. Pa re sa ni re ga ma pa re sa ni re ga ma pa re sa ni re ga ma pa re sa. This is pa re sa ni re ga ma. Pa re sa ni re ga ma pa re sa. Do. Now what to do? Now I will play Jhala to stand in one note and just stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ni 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 sa. So every change you have to make in the shom, in the first beat. Then you can maintain the rhythm. Ni 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 sa 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 sa. Ni 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 sa 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 sa. Ni 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 sa 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 ni 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 sa 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 ni sa sa ni sa 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 ni sa 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 ni sa sa sa. Pa re ga ni re ga ma pa re sa ni re ga ma pa. So ni and sa, the variation in ni and sa. Then I will move on next line. Pa re sa ni re ga ma pa re sa ni re ga. Just I stand on ga. Now I will stroke on ga. Ga 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 ga. Just variation with re and ga. 3, 4. Re 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 ga 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 re 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 ga 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 re 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 ga 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 re 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 ga ga ga. Then I will move in ni re ga ma ga. Now variation I can make in Gama, Rema, Nima, this kind of variation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ga 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 ma 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 ga 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 ma 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 re 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 ma 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 re 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 ma 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 ne 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 ma 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 ne 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 ma ga 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 ma 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 ga 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 ma ma ma. Then I will stand on pa. Ga ma pa. Ma 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 pa 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 ma 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 pa 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 ma 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 pa 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 ma 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 pa 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 ma pa pa ma pa pa ma pa pa ma pa pa. Now you can take four parts like ma 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 dha 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 ma 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 ni 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 ma 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 sa 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 ma 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 re. So ma 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 dha dha ma 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 ni ni ma 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 sa sa ma 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 dha dha. Ma 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 dha 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 ma 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 ni 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 ma 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 sa 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 ma 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 re re re. So make variation with 4. If you can take just 4 4 4, then it's very easy to move. So I just try to play the variation with ma, dha, ma, ni, ma, sa and ma, re. Now I will move on next note like ma da ni ni sa, standing on sa, and try to play variation like ni 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 sa sa sa, ni 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 sa sa sa. So sa should be stroked like 3, 4. Sa 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 2, 3, 4. So variation with ni sa. Ni 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 sa 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 ni 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 sa 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 ni 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 sa 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 ni 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 sa 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 ni sa sa ni sa sa ni sa sa ni sa sa. Then ni re ga ga. That's the way I stand on one note and then I try to stroke. So ga with variation with re ga, ni ga, maybe ma ga. Ga 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 re 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 ga 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 re 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 ga 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 ni 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 ga 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 re 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 ga ga ma 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 ga ga ga. And always start with shom. 1, 2, 3, go. try to make variation and just continue the stroke. Then I will go the highest note in Tara, Pa. And I will go on Pa when I try to finish the jhala. Then I will try to come on Sa with like 4 variation. Pa 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 re 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 sa 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 sa, maybe pa 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 ga 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 re 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 sa 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 sa. That's the way I will stand on Sa, from Pa, Ga, Re, then Sa. Doing it. 3, 4. Pa 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 ga 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 re 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 sa 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 sa. After that, I will give a signal to the tabla player. The signal is just to finish the concert. That is from Ga to Ga, from Re to Re, and then Sa to Sa. Just watch. 1, 2, 3. That's Gaga Re Re Sa Sa Ni Ni Dha Dha Papa Mama Gaga Re Re Sa Sa Ni Ni Dha Dha Papa Mama Gaga Re Re Sa Sa Ni Ni Dha Dha Papa Mama Gaga Re Re Sa Sa. Gaga Re Re Sa Sa Ni Ni Dha Dha Papa Mama Gaga Re Re Sa Sa Ni Ni Dha Dha Papa Mama Gaga Re Re Sa Sa Ni Ni Dha Dha Papa Mama Gaga Re Re Sa, like this. Then the tabla player will know that I am going to give a tehai, and the tehai is Madha Nini Sa, Madha Nini Sa, Madha Nini Sa Sa Sa, Madha Nini Sa, Madha Nini Sa, Madha Nini Sa Sa Sa, with this same tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gaga Re Re Sa Sa Ni Ni Dha Dha Papa Mama Gaga Re Re Sa Sa Ni Ni Dha Dha Papa Mama Gaga Sa Sa Ni Ni Dha Dha Papa Mama Gaga Re Re Sa, Madha Ni Ni Sa, Madha Ni Ni Sa, Madha Ni Ni Sa Sa Sa, Madha Ni Ni Sa, Madha Ni Ni Sa, Madha Ni Ni Sa Sa Sa, Madha Ni Ni Sa, Madha Ni Ni Sa, Madha Ni Ni Sa Sa Sa. That's it. 1, 2, 3, go. That's the way you can play a full concert and play jhala, and it takes long time because it's not that easy to play in this rhythm. So this is just a format how we play a concert and how we finish a concert and how we finish a jhala. So if you practice this jhala, and should be practiced with the tabla player, because I'm just using a machine, and it not support that much that a tabla player support. So if you play this, and first of all you just play, you have to be say in like I say in Gaga Re Re Sa Sa, like the way. So it's very important to say in and then you try in flute. So I hope you enjoy this and you try it, and maybe you can play a concert in Raga Yaman, and maybe in next lesson we try to do something more, maybe something different type of exercise, something different type of lesson.